product price variation. So if you have a product and you want to test the prices, more like you are trying to do A/B split testing. You want to test the price and see which of the prices your customer or audience will respond to. For example, as you can see here, you have Nigeria, you have 1 unit 12,000, 2 units 20,000 of this same product. Then on another form, you have another pricing. You can see 1 unit 8,000, 1 unit 15,000, 2 units 15,000, so that you can test and see which of these prices are okay. All right. So you don't need to create different products to achieve this. You create that same product and then you create price variations so that you can use them on different forms. All right. So as you can see here, this is the price for Nigeria. So this is the price for Ghana. You can see 1 unit 4,000, 2 units 7,500. While on this form, it's the same product. While on this form, you can see for Ghana here, it has changed to 800 and 1,005. So you now use it to know the one that the your customer or audience respond to. So how do you do that on Sniper CRM? This is the product we are using here. So you want to add price variation. So what you do is you come here and you click price variations. All right. So I have already added two price variations here. You can see price one, you can see the prices here, price two, see the prices here. To add your own, just click add new price variation. All right. Then you give it a name. So that one you saw there is price one. So you just put your own name. That's just a name for you to identify that pricing variation when you are loading it on your form. Then you put all the, like, this is the country you want to sell, the unit, that is cost price, you put it here, the selling price, and then you put your offer, quantity, and units. You click add more, you add the next one. If it's the same country, Nigeria, you do 2 units here. You know, this is 1 unit, so this one will be 2 units, so you put units here, 1 unit, 2 units, put the cost price, let's say 200. Cost price here also is 200. Then let's say the selling price is here is 10,000. Selling price here is for 2 units 18,000. So you just click add more to add the third quantity. This is 2 units here. This one will now be 3 units. Click add more again to add other countries, maybe Ghana or any other country that you're selling to. All right. So when you are done and you save it, you will see it on this product variation page here. Price one, price two, price three, as you have added it, right? So the next thing you need to do is to go to your forms. Now, when you want to use these variations, remember that when you created the product itself, you already add a price on it, right? So that is the default price. That one is not a variation, it's just a default. So let me just quickly go to products so I'll show you what I'm talking about. So for that same product, which is the the product name here, yeah, test GH. All right. So look at this pricing here. These are the prices that we added. These are the default prices. It's not a variation. This is a default price that if you use a form now and pick this product, it will load these prices. But if you now want to use the price variation that you've created, so when you create a form now, all right, look at this add form. You click add form. Okay. So just a minute. Network. Okay, let me switch my network. My network is okay. I think it's back now. So when you come to add form, this is the form name. You put the form name there, right? Now look at this. Select product. So this is the product here. Watch this. Look at this variation. Price one, price two, which is what you have here when we created the variation. Okay. Under this, look at this now. Price variations. Just stay with me, please. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so watch this. Price variation. You can see the network. Okay, let me quickly switch my network. Just 1 second. I'll switch my network now. Okay, so look at the price variations here. So on this price variation, you can see price 1, price 2. So that is what is loading here. So when you select the product, to switch and show you the variation. So if you don't want any variation, that is, you want to use the default prices that you have when you created that product, don't select anything, you just leave it blank. All right, to load the default prices. But when you want to now use variation, you pick the variation. So this is price 1, which is going to give you something like this, where you can see Nigeria, you see the prices, right? Then if you want to now use the second variation, you create another form again. So this one could now be form 1 for price 1. Then the next one will be form 2 for price 2. Just a name to differentiate them. That's on your form name, all right? So the second one, you pick it price 2. And when you preview, it's going to give you something like this. So you can easily use that to do your price testing without having to create multiple products of that same product. So it's the same product you are using, and to help you still have your inventory 100% accurate without any error or issues. All right, thank you.